Want to download Nexus Mod Manager fast, without clicking the wrong thing? Here's the quick and easy way. First, open your web browser on your PC. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox all work fine. In the address bar, type nexusmods.com and press enter to go straight to the official site. Make sure you see the real Nexus Mods logo and secure connection before you download anything. Now, in the site navigation, look for the Files or Tools section where download managers are listed. Open that section to find the old Nexus Mod Manager page or Download Tools list. On the Nexus Mod Manager page, look for the main download button or manual download option. Click Download, then choose the version that matches your operating system if you see multiple options. Your browser will ask to save the installer file. Confirm and save it to your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Nexus Mod Manager installer. Follow the on-screen installer steps, keeping the default settings unless you know you need something different. When setup finishes, launch Nexus Mod Manager, log into your Nexus Mods account, and you're ready to start managing mods.